Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your money back after you cancel a trip on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, you will find yourself on the home page. After that, you will need to go to your profile and click on trips. And then you will need to cancel a trip so you can get your money back. So basically, we are going to choose any trip that you have reserved, and then you click on it. And in the reservation details, if you go down here a little bit, you will find something called cancel your reservation or cancellation of the reservation or trip. After you click on it, you will need to fill in the reason why you want to cancel the trip so you can get your refund. After that, you will submit, or you will just click on next and confirm the cancellation. And after that, you will need to wait an amount of time between 15 days to 9 to 15 days business days, so you can get your refund to your payment method that you have used when you have reserved the trip. So this is how it works. Thank you for watching and see you next time.